Hello everyone, welcome. Today in the additional of today's newspaper on a Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, June the 28th, 2022. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, the 3-star Sudoku, and the 4-star Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics in Dutch. It's called a cipher block with 4 stars. We have one and one with 1 star, and the binary puzzle. Those puzzles I'm not interested, so total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve. I will solve the 3 stars, the 4 stars, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. Alright. But first, Sudoku with 3 stars. And this will be number 4766. Yes, 4766. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say the less will be difficult, because sometimes you have a lot of pairs or hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve. All right, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle here. We have 2 ones. We have here 3 twos, 3 threes, 2 fours, 3 fives, 3 sixes, 4 sevens, 4 eights, and 1 9. So the 7 and the 8s are in majority. Alright, can I start with the 7? No. Need to wait. Can I start with the 8? Yes. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, by the way, the 3 stars puzzle, my time limit, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit for 3 stars puzzle. Okay, so we have an 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see here an 8 in the first column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes here. An 8 in this column, no 8 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 8. Let me see. How about the 3 in this column, third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 5 missing numbers now in the first column. One of the missing number is a 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there in the first column. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. Alright. Okay. Then 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 6. We have a 7 and a 6 in this row, so no 7 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 6, 7 and 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there, should be here, and 7 goes there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. We have a 5 in the first column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. Okay. Four missing numbers now. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be here. Okay. Alright. Then, let me see. 9. Yeah. 7 in the first row. 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 1 in the first row. So no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. Alright. Then. Yeah. How about the number? Let me see which number can I pick. Yeah. Alright. 3. Interesting. Yeah. Come on. Wow. 5. I'm thinking. Yeah. Come on. 2. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row above. The only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this column. Last column, so no 7 there. Here 7 in this column, so no 7 there. Only place left for the 7 should be there. 4 missing number. Oh, wait. Yeah, 4. No. Yeah. I've not all the 7s. I've not collected all the 7s. 6. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the first row. So no 6 there, 6 should be here. Alright. Two. Yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 there. Here 2 in the first row, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in the middle row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. Alright. Okay. 1 box left in this row for number 1 and 2. The 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing. Wait. One of the missing numbers is 3 in this big square. The 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. Here 3 in the second row, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. And we have a 3 in the middle column, so no 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Alright. Okay. Alright. And now. Let me see. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the last row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. Okay, in this column we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the first row, so no 3 there. Here 3 in the middle row, so no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, or there. Well, another 3 in this row, so no 3 there, and a 3 in the last row, so no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there, and all the 3s are not used. Missing 1, 3, 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the last column, no 3 there, 3 should be there, and all the 3s are used. I can see this number 1, number 3. Alright. Yeah. 5, 5, 4, 4. 1, 1. Yeah. 2. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. Okay. Come on. 9. 7. Need a 7 there. And 6. 3 missing numbers in this third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9, and look, we have a 6 and a 7 in this row. So no 6 and a 7 in this box. The 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 7, so 1 digit left in the third column for number 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers. First row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there, 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Let me drink something. Alright. Okay. Now, 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1 and the 2, the 3. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 boxes left in this row for number 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5. The 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this third row. For the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, last row. 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the Fours are used, I can see. This number 2, number 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing and a 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in the last row. No 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row. So the row B3, no need 2 places left for the 1, should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. This is number 3, number 1. Yeah. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, middle column. So no 9 there, 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column. For number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then 1 box, no. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, I've marked this 7 and a 6, 7 and a 6. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 now in this column. No 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. There, we see here 2 in the last row. So no 2 there, 2 should be here. 1 box left in this row. 4 number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. So is this really 3 stars? No, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second puzzle, a 4 stars puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.